Welcome back to my jelly cake tutorial channel. This video is a bit different from our previous ones. In this video, you'll learn how to create a stunning 4-inch lotus flower jelly cake. I'll teach you how to make the stamens, petals, and leaves using different tools. Let's get started. First, we need a clear jelly base. Then, a melting tool to create the flower's stamina. Dip the head of the tool into hot water to heat it up. Then melt the center of the jelly base to form a small, rounded center. Absorb any excess jelly liquid with a paper towel. You might need to repeat this step a few times to achieve the desired shape and depth. Next, we'll need a piping nozzle tip to create round holes that resemble the real stamina. Grasp it with a tweezer and heat it up. First, make a hole in the center, then a few holes around the center, followed by additional holes around those. Repeat this until you have completed the entire circle. Here's how it looks when you're done. Pour in some yellow jelly liquid. Let it sit in the fridge for 5 minutes. Once it's set, we can pipe in some stamens with the same color using a number 23G needle. Pipe around the center stem. Pipe in small, long strips like this. Hold the syringe vertically and pipe straight down to create depth. For the second layer stamina, angle the syringe slightly more flat. We pipe a total of 2 layers for the stamina. Clean up any excess jelly liquid. Before you pipe the petals, check the color on a spoon before piping to ensure it matches the shade you want in your jelly. Next, we'll work on the first layer of petals. With a syringe filled with pink jelly liquid, start piping the petals around the center. Hold the syringe almost vertically and pipe curves down to create depth. Keep adding layers of petals. For the second layer, angle the syringe slightly more flat. Pipe in slightly deeper and pipe between the petals of the first layer. Clean up any excess jelly liquid. See how beautiful it turned out. Next, switch to a larger jelly tool to create bigger petals for the third and fourth layers. For the third layer, angle the syringe even more flat. And always remember to pipe between the petals from the previous layer to create a vivid flower feeling. Just like a real flower. Use a blunt tip with some jelly liquid to fix any imperfections. Clean up any excess jelly liquid. Always check your work to ensure you're satisfied. And fix any imperfections right away before the jelly liquid sets. Let's continue with the next layer. Be sure to save some room for the leaves at the end. Use a larger piping tool for bigger petals. Jelly tools from different places may vary slightly. If your tool's edge isn't sharp enough, what I usually do is pipe in the shape first and then squeezing in the jelly liquid. Now we're done with the petals. Close up the back and place it in the fridge to let the jelly set for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, let's add some leaves to our lotus flower. To draw lotus leaves, using a syringe with green-colored jelly liquid, start by creating the leaf texture using a number to 3G curved needle. Pipe in one main line with 2 short lines on each side. We'll pipe 5 leaves. Then carefully pipe in the leaf shapes on top of the lines. I use the same jelly tool to draw the leaves. Since the leaves will be larger than the petals, shift the tool to the left and right after insertion to form a larger arc. Use a blunt tip with some jelly liquid to fix any imperfections. Clean up any excess jelly liquid. Close up the back and place it in the fridge to let the jelly in, to set for 1 to 2 minutes. Isn't it stunning? With a little patience and practice, you too can create beautiful jelly cakes like this one. Our lotus flower is almost complete. The last step is to add some white background color to make it look nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jelly cake tutorials.